Alrighty, so up next we have our close grip push-up. Now, one thing I do want to get across is this is not a diamond push-up, so when we bring the hands together, a close grip push-up is merely we're just bringing the hands underneath the shoulder. Now this is still a chest exercise, however you are going to predominantly feel a lot more tricep, but a few things still with any normal push-up. Extension through the lumbar, so the lower back really arching. We want to make sure we're staying nice and tight through there. So when we jump down, first things first, we want to make sure that we're obviously lining the hands up in line with the shoulder. We don't need to be too much closer, so probably thumbs touching might be a little excessive, unless you've got extremely long thumbs, that's okay. But rule of thumb is we want to line up the hands straight underneath the shoulder, making sure that that position's nice and tight. We're going to keep those elbows close to the body. We're then driving back up, so making sure we stay nice and rigid, and then we're still hitting that depth. So that's our close grip.